1/4 of a teaspoon of ground ginger. Allspice, it's optional. I'm going to put a little bit inside there. I don't want to put too much clove inside there. Thing looks like it's toxic as hell, huh? You want to put, and you know what we're looking for is probably really close to this much. So I'm willing to go a little heavy on that. Now we're going to end up using that pumpkin. So let's say 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, so let's do 5. Let's say that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Something. Let's be a heavy tipper, because we want to put a couple of these in here. I'm going to put 3. Okay, for now. It's a pumpkin spice latte, Charlie Brown. So now what we're going to do, I'm going to be using my oat creamer, or you can use oat milk. We're going to put that in there. And this is better than that gritty flavor that a lot of times you'll end up getting out of a store-bought one. This is going to incorporate all of that pumpkin filling and spice into the oat milk. The beans that I'm using vary, but I generally will use like an Italian bean. It's subtle. It's not overpowering. My wife likes it overpowering, so I would end up putting maybe an extra scoop, maybe even extra 2 scoops, and then to bring hers up to speed. But I gotta tell you, this is really good. This is really good. So another thing you can do is with the stuff that we made, you can sprinkle some on top, or you can hit the top with a little cinnamon, which is typical. People will often do that, where they'll be like, hey, now you're fancy. How fancy can you be with a Linus cup? But anyway, guys, that's that. That's how you can make your own. You can put this stuff inside the refrigerator. It's going to be gone by the end of the day. Don't worry about it. You're going to be like, how long does it keep? If you haven't finished it by the end of the day, there's something wrong with you, right? But anyway, that's that, guys. The amount that I made is probably good enough for 3, maybe 4 lattes. But that's that. And until next time, I'll talk to you later.